What are the best and worst protein foods for losing fat and building muscle? इस वीडियो में I am going to rank 24 most popular foods on a tier list from S for super to F for fail. देखिए जिम बहुत लोग जाते हैं पर रिजल्ट सबको नहीं मिलते. क्यों? Because most people are eating the wrong foods for protein. So by the end of this video you will have a full list. आपकी डाइट में majority protein should come from S and A tier foods. Now to rank all these foods, here is my ranking criteria. I am looking for two things. First, high protein quality. किसी भी फूड की प्रोटीन क्वालिटी हम चेक कर सकते हैं यूजिंग PDCA स्कोर विच गोज फ्रॉम अ स्केल ऑफ 0 to 1. अगर PDCA स्कोर 0.9 के ऊपर है इट मींस टॉप नॉच प्रोटीन क्वालिटी. देखिए हाई क्वालिटी प्रोटीन बेसिकली हैव कंप्लीट अमीनो एसिड प्रोफाइल एंड गुड डाइजेस्टिबिलिटी. सेकंड, लो कैलोरी कॉस्ट, यानी उस फूड से 25 ग्राम्स प्रोटीन पाने के लिए हाउ मेनी कैलोरीज वुड यू हैव टू ईट? 1 gram protein has 4 calories. So 25 grams protein will have at least 100 calories. If you can get 25 grams protein under 200 calories, we'll put it in S tier. Alright, let's get the worst out of the way. Fruits and vegetables. They are so low in protein that you can literally call them zero protein foods. 25 grams protein पाने के लिए you will have to eat 1 kilo of spinach or 1 kilo of guava. Mushrooms, broccoli, avocados, same story. All fruits and vegetables are going straight into the F tier. Sorry to say, but Popeye was a scam. Next, let's talk about milk and dairy. और यहाँ बहुत लोग कंफ्यूज होते हैं. Let's break it down. Milk has two proteins, whey and casein. और ये दोनों ही complete protein हैं, digestible हैं. So the protein quality is top notch. Milk has a PDCA score of 1. But to get 25 grams protein from full fat milk will cost you 650 calories. And that's very costly, especially if you are on a fat loss diet. Even if you use toned milk, जो नीली थैली आती है, to get 25 grams protein from this will cost you 400 calories. Still very costly. But if you use skimmed milk, most of the fat is removed and you will get 25 grams protein in just 250 calories. Much better. So I will put skimmed milk in A tier and regular milks will go in B tier. Next dairy product, दही. दूध से ही बनता है तो of course top notch protein quality, PDCA score of 1. But calorie wise, to get 25 grams protein from curd will cost you 400 calories. So it's good as a side dish or raita, but not as your main protein source. But milk को ferment करके एक high protein yogurt भी बनता है, which is Greek yogurt. And now you can get 25 grams protein in only 180 calories. That's fantastic. Greek yogurt goes in S tier and regular dahi B tier. Next, let's discuss paneer. दूध से बनता है so protein quality top notch, PDCA score of 1. Paneer is basically milk का casein protein separated out. And to get 25 grams protein from full fat paneer will cost you 420 calories. But if you are eating low fat paneer, तो 25 grams protein आपको मिल जाएगा in just 180 calories. Amazing. For vegetarian people, this is meat like macros. Low fat paneer goes in S tier. फुल फैट पनीर B tier. मोस्ट पनीर जो हलवाई की शॉप पे मिलता है एंड मोस्ट पैकेज पनीर इज फुल फैट पनीर. बट ऑलमोस्ट हर सिटी में कोई ना कोई ब्रांड लो फैट पनीर भी बेच रही होती है. चेक इट आउट. आप किस सिटी में हो और कौन सा लो फैट पनीर वहां मिलता है कमेंट्स में बताना. ऑल्सो अगर आपको करना है बॉडी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन और वेट लॉस एंड इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ कस्टमाइज्ड डाइट प्लान and a science-based workout plan, then check out my coaching details at hypertroph.com. If you are ready for action, apply for coaching and we'll take care of everything for you. You will have complete support throughout your fitness journey. Next dairy product, whey protein. दूध से पनीर बनाते वक्त the leftover liquid is whey protein. That liquid is then filtered out and dried at scale to make whey protein powder. Protein quality top notch होनी ही है, milk protein है, PDCA score of 1. Calorie wise, you can get 25 grams protein in just 120 calories. Because whey protein is basically pure protein. कम से कम fats और carbs आपको साथ में मिलते हैं. That's as efficient as it gets. Whey protein goes straight into S tier. Before choosing a whey protein, always check these 7 things on the back label. इस पर मैंने फुल्ली रिसर्च वीडियो बना रखा है. नेक्स्ट फूड वेरी पॉपुलर, स्प्राउट्स. और यहाँ बहुत मिथ बस्टिंग होने वाली है. देखिए मोस्ट कॉमनली लोग मूंग दाल को स्प्राउट करते हैं, बट यू कैन यूज एनी अदर दाल और एनी लेग्यूम, काला चना, छोला. ऑल दीज फूड्स आर एक्चुअली वेरी सिमिलर न्यूट्रिशन वाइज. नाउ protein quality. Legumes have a PDCA score between 0.5 and 0.7. That means bad protein quality. और इसके दो रीजंस हैं. पहला, लेग्यूम्स की अमीनो एसिड प्रोफाइल कंप्लीट नहीं है. इनमें मिथ्योनाइन नाम का अमीनो एसिड मिसिंग होता है. प्लस प्लांट प्रोटीन्स अच्छे से डाइजेस्ट और एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होते इन ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट. गाय और घोड़े कर लेते हैं बट नॉट ह्यूमंस. सो दैट डिसमिसेस द एग्जांपल कि घोड़ा चने खाता है तो आपका काम क्यों नहीं हो सकता चनों से. नहीं हो सकता. पुअर प्रोटीन क्वालिटी. अच्छा, कैलोरी वाइज टू गेट 25 grams of protein from any of these will cost you 350 to 450 calories, which is quite a lot because legumes are high in carbs. And keep in mind, ये 25 grams protein में से only 14 to 15 gram protein will actually be usable because the PDCA score is between 0.5 to 0.7. So sprouts, rajma, dal, all the legumes belong in C tier. अच्छा, what about sattu and besan? Again, same nutrition logic. Sattu is made from roasted chana. Besan is made from unroasted chana. And we just discussed chana. Protein quality is bad. उसको आप रोस्ट कर लें, उसका पाउडर बना लें, फंडामेंटल प्रोटीन क्वालिटी वही रहेगी. इनसे भी 25 grams protein will cost you around 450 calories. And PDCAS is 0.7. That means only 18 grams of that protein will be usable. सत्तू एंड बेसन ऑल्सो गो टू द सी टियर. अच्छा, कई लोग कहेंगे कि दाल या राजमा को अगर चावल के साथ या रोटी के साथ कंबाइन कर दें तो इनकी अमीनो एसिड प्रोफाइल कंप्लीट हो जाती है कॉम्बिनेशन की. सो व्हाट अबाउट दैट? इसके बारे में आगे बात करेंगे. नेक्स्ट फूड, एग्स. प्रोटीन क्वालिटी बेस्ट इन द गेम, बट कैलोरी वाइज टू गेट 25 grams प्रोटीन फ्रॉम होल एग्स विल कॉस्ट यू 280 calories. Because along with protein, eggs also have high fat content. But अगर आप yolks निकाल दें, then what is left is pure protein. क्योंकि अंडे का सारा फैट yolk में ही होता है. और सिर्फ egg whites अगर आप खाएं तो you will get 25 grams protein in just 120 calories. So egg whites definitely belong in S tier and whole eggs will go to A tier. Now before covering some S tier vegetarian foods, लेट्स क्विकली कवर नॉन-वेज फूड्स. देखिए, सभी मीट्स की प्रोटीन क्वालिटी एक्सेलेंट होती है. ऑफ कोर्स दे ऑल हैव अ PDCA स्कोर अबव 0.95, बट कैलोरी वाइज इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द टाइप ऑफ मीट एंड कट. इस वीडियो में विल ओनली डिस्कस चिकन एंड फिश. लॉजिक रहेगा, इफ यू कैन गेट 25 grams प्रोटीन अंडर 200 कैलोरीज तो इट बिलोंग्स इन S tier. और वही 25 grams प्रोटीन की कॉस्ट पड़े अगर 200 to 300 कैलोरीज देन A tier. And 300 calories के ऊपर we'll put it in B tier. First, chicken breast. Calorie wise, very efficient. 25 grams protein will cost you only 130 calories. Classic bodybuilding food, S tier. But if you eat chicken legs, thighs or drumsticks, then 25 grams protein का cost पड़ेगा आपको 200 to 250 calories. So all of these go to A tier. And if you eat chicken wings, that's very high fat. 25 grams protein will cost you 400 calories. So chicken wings goes in B tier. If you eat chicken liver, जिसका टेस्ट सबको पसंद नहीं होता, but very good macros, you will get 25 grams protein in just 170 calories. S tier. नेक्स्ट, फिशेज. देखिए, फिशेज में दो कैटेगरी होती हैं, लीन फिशेज और फैटी फिशेज. इफ यू ईट एनी ऑफ दीज लीन फिशेज or prawns, then 25 grams protein will cost you only about 100 to 130 calories. Very efficient. इन सबको हम डालेंगे S tier में. But if you eat fatty fishes like these, तो 25 grams protein will cost you between 250 to 300 calories. Nutrient wise, these are high in omega 3, which is a huge plus. So fatty fishes को हम डालेंगे A tier में. अच्छा, next vegetarian में let's discuss grains. बाजरा, millets, rice. देखिए, सारे grains are 60 to 80% carbohydrate by composition. And to even try to get 25 grams of protein from any grain would not be a wise idea. It will cost you 700 to 1000 calories. Here's the information for every single grain. You can pause and read. Plus, the protein quality is very bad. सभी का PDCA स्कोर होता है between 0.4 and 0.6. Because again, plant protein है तो digestion अच्छा नहीं होता. दूसरा, amino acid profile incomplete है, इनमें lysine नहीं होता. So as protein foods, सभी grains सीधा जाएंगे D tier में. Quinoa is a notable exception. Unlike other grains, it has complete amino acid profile and has decently high protein quality. PDCA score है around 0.85. So grains category में it's definitely better than rice or wheat from a protein standpoint. But still, calorie wise, to get 25 grams protein from quinoa will cost you around 600 calories. So I can't promote it to C tier. Sorry, but quinoa stays in the D tier with all the other grains. Sure, आप खिचड़ी में राइस की जगह quinoa यूज कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा प्रोटीन ऑप्टिमाइज होगा, but that cannot make a significant impact towards your protein totals for the day. नेक्स्ट कॉम्बिनेशंस की बात कर लेते हैं. What if you combine a grain from D tier like rice or quinoa with a legume from C tier like dal or rajma? Does the overall protein then become complete? Because grains have methionine, which was missing in legumes, and legumes have lysine, which was missing in grains. So combination is definitely better than having either in isolation. But it still won't do wonders for your protein intake. Because firstly, 25 grams protein, even from the combination, will still cost you between 350 to 450 calories. And plant protein mein digestibility is always an issue. So net PDCS score will still be under 0.7. So all the combinations go to C tier. Only exception here is plant protein powders, because they are engineered to have high digestibility and complete amino acid profile. एक perfect combination तैयार करते हैं वो using rice protein and pea protein in 20:80 ratio. PDCAS close to 1. So plant protein powder goes straight into S tier. Next, let's talk about soya. Now जैसा कि हमने समझा, plant proteins are usually bad quality, but soya is an exception. The protein quality here is pretty good. Complete amino acid profile, good digestibility, and PDCA score is between 0.9 to 1 depending on what soya product you are eating. Soya chunks, tofu, tempeh, soybeans, edamame, इन सभी से 25 grams protein will cost you about 250 calories. Vegan लोगों के लिए तो it's the staple protein source. So all of the soya foods belong in A tier. Last category, what about nuts like peanuts, peanut butter, and what about seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, etc. इन सभी को हम समझ सकते हैं with the same nutrition logic. देखिए, nuts and seeds are about 50% fats by composition, and being plant based, their protein quality is terrible. PDCA score होता है इनका between 0.4 and 0.5. And calorie wise, to get 25 grams protein from any of them will cost you 600 to 900 calories. That's super costly. इसलिए सारे के सारे seeds, nuts, all of these go straight into the D tier. So ये है आपके सामने पूरी लिस्ट तैयार. The best and worst protein sources. Now इस लिस्ट को यूज कैसे करना है? 3 बातें ध्यान रखनी है. Number 1, 75% of your daily protein should come from the top 3 tiers S, A and B. Because पूरी लिस्ट में केवल यही है complete और high quality proteins that will actually build muscle and provide your body with all the 9 essential amino acids it needs. If you are only relying on C, D or F tier foods, तो आपको अच्छे results नहीं मिलेंगे. You will most likely stay protein deficient, and if you do manage to eat sufficient protein, then you will overshoot your calories and end up gaining fat. Second, build every major meal using S or A tier proteins. देखिए, daily 3 to 4 major meals होते हैं सबके, breakfast, lunch, dinner. हर मेजर मील में आपको 25 ग्राम्स प्रोटीन इंक्लूड करना है फ्रॉम द टॉप 2 tiers. ऐसा अगर आपने किया तो योर प्रोटीन इनटेक विल बिकम एफर्टलेस and you will not overshoot your calories. B tier foods are also good quality proteins, but their calorie cost is high. So don't make them the main protein source in your meals. And third point, remember, none of these foods are bad. Even foods in D tier and F tier, they all have their place, not just as protein sources. Fruits and vegetables जो F tier में हैं, they are amazing for micronutrients and digestion. So aim for at least 500 grams of fruits and vegetables in your diet. Similarly, nuts and seeds, D tier, they are great sources of healthy fats and minerals. So definitely include 1 to 2 servings in your diet, under 200 calories. Just don't use them as a protein source. Similarly, grains and legumes जो कि C और D tier में place किया हमने, they are fantastic for carbs, B vitamins, fiber, minerals. So definitely include them as carb sources in your diet. भाई S और A tier protein foods के around आप meal build करेंगे, तो वहाँ आप include करें ये non protein items in controlled portions as per your calorie budget. और 2026 में अगर आप belly fat loss करना चाहते हैं तो इस पे मैंने recently एक detailed इन डेप्थ वीडियो बनाया था जहां मैंने दिखाया था अपना इंटायर फिटनेस सिस्टम, डाइट, ट्रेनिंग, एवरीथिंग. वीडियो को मैं यहाँ लिंक कर दूंगा, यू कैन चेक इट आउट. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टेक केयर, स्टे फिट.